There's a new feature on the Twitter mobile app that helps you cut back on data usage while browsing the app. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable Twitter's new data saver setting. Now let's get started. First, open the Twitter app on your iOS or Android device. Then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Data Usage. At the top of your screen, tap the switch labeled Data Saver to enable this setting. This will make it so that videos and photos are not preloaded while you're scrolling your Twitter timeline. If you see a post with a photo or video you'd like to view, just tap the image to load it. This will cut back a lot on how much data is used while you're browsing the app. Alternatively, you can use the individual options below for image and video quality and video autoplay. Here, you can choose if you'd like high-quality images and/or videos to be loaded, and videos to start playing automatically while you're connected to Wi-Fi. Tap any of these settings you'd like to change. Then select Only on Wi-Fi or Never to change the setting. When you enable the data saver switch, all of these settings are locked to Never. That's all it takes to set up Twitter's new data saving mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.